Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, this is class 8th and our topic for today is role of hormones in reproductive functions. This is a very important topic. Now, as far as the changes that occur in human beings when they reach the adolescent stage of their life, these changes occur because of the hormones which are present inside our body, right? And I told you about the two types of glands, endocrine and exocrine glands, which are responsible for producing or releasing these hormones. Here we are supposed to deal with the hormones which are responsible for bringing about the secondary sexual characteristics both in males as well as in females, because our topic is role of hormones in reproductive functions. So we will try to restrict or confine ourselves to the hormones which are related or associated with the reproductive functions, right? So these hormones which bring about the changes with respect to the secondary sexual characteristics, uh, actually their secretion or their release, it starts at the age of when you reach the stage of puberty. So when you actually enter the puberty stage, these hormones start getting released, right? Now we have two principal reproductive organs. In males we have testes, and in females we have ovaries. These are the principal reproductive organs. In males we have testes, and in females we have ovaries. Apart from these, as far as these two are concerned, they are responsible for producing gametes. As I told you, testes produce sperm, right? The sperm is called as male gamete or male sex cell, and these ovaries produce ova or ovum, right? So this is the female sex cell or female gamete. These are the principal functions of these two. Testes produce male gametes, ovaries produce female gametes. But apart from these sex cells, they also produce sex hormones, which are very very important. Understand? Yim testes produce male gamete, ठीक? Ovaries produce female gamete. Maar am allow be function yim kara, yim produce sex hormones. वो यम हार्मोन रिलीज गसान टेस्टिस पे या ओवरीज पे तमन से बना, they are called as sex hormones. They are called as, why they are called as sex hormones? Because they have a role as far as the sex of both male and female is concerned. That's why they are called as sex hormones. Now, when these testes and ovaries, when they produce sex hormones, these sex hormones bring about changes both in males and females at puberty. When a male or female reaches the stage of puberty, these testes and ovaries start producing the sex hormones. As far as the testes are concerned, they secrete a hormone which is called as testosterone, right? And as far as the females are concerned, ovaries secrete a hormone that is called as estrogen. These are the principal male and female hormones, sex hormones. What is the male sex hormone? Testosterone. What is the female sex hormone? Estrogen, right? But do you know this testosterone and estrogen, they are not released on their own. ये खुद ही नहीं निकलते हैं टेस्टिस से और ओवरीज से, बल्कि ये किसी और हार्मोन के इन्फ्लुएंस में निकलती है. मैं बताऊंगा आपको. हमारे सर के अंदर, सकल के अंदर एक ग्लैंड होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, विच इज कॉल्ड एज पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. ये पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड होता है, अगर हम देखेंगे इसके दो अहम हिस्से हैं. अच्छा, असल में पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड को हम बोलते हैं वन ग्लैंड, बट एक्चुअली पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड is not one gland, but these are the two glands, but it is jointly called as pituitary gland, right? So this pituitary gland has two parts. One is called as interior pituitary, one is called as posterior pituitary, right? We are not supposed to discuss here the anatomy of pituitary gland, but this is something very important for you people to know, that pituitary gland has two parts, interior pituitary and posterior pituitary, right? This interior pituitary gland, okay, this particular gland, interior pituitary gland, this is responsible for releasing sex, what we call as Gonadotropic hormone. Gonadotropic hormone. What is the meaning of the gonad? Gonad means the reproductive organs, right? So when we say gonadotropic hormone, that means the hormone that has to affect the sex organs, right? Gonads means sex organs. So when we say anterior pituitary gland is responsible for secreting gonadotropins or gonadotropic hormone, it means that these hormones have to reach the sex organ. What is the principal sex organ in males? It is testes, and in females it is ovaries. So the hormones released by the pituitary gland, please remember, there are three, actually they are called as gonadotropic hormones, gonadotropic hormones or gonadotropins, right? These hormones are released by the pituitary gland. There are three hormones mainly. One is called as luteinizing hormone, or in short we write LH. One is FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. One is HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin. These three hormones are jointly called as gonadotropins or gonadotropic hormones or gonadotropins, right? They are released by the pituitary gland, please remember. But which part? The interior part of pituitary gland releases gonadotropic hormones, and gonadotropic hormones consists of luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and human chorionic gonadotropic hormone. Now, what is the function of this LH? LH, which is called as luteinizing hormone, what does it do? In case of females, ये जो होता है, it helps us in the growth of eggs. यानी ovary में growth of eggs under the influence of this LH, right? What is the function of this FSH, or what we call as follicle stimulating hormone? It is responsible for, what is the primary function of this FSH? FSH is responsible for the, what we call as, it triggers the egg release. Egg release ovary pet trigger kus FSH. Which HCG pregnancy गैस ना females मस मतलब early pregnancy आए तथ मस थावन maintain कुछ level progesterone big hormone progesterone level hormone, ठीक? क्योंकि तो उसमें थोड़ा इसको मैंने आउटलाइन बता दिया. हालांकि आपके लिए ये जरूरी नहीं है पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड जिपार्ट इंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी, मगर मे भी आपके काम में आ सकता है. अब हम देखेंगे ये जो सेक्स हार्मोन्स है, टेस्टोस्टेरोन, ओवरीज, इससे क्या क्या होता है, अम सतन कम असरात मेल बॉडी या फीमेल बॉडी पे पेवन, ठीक? किम सतन आगोस टेस्टोस्टेरोन, डागोस FSH. यहाँ पर जो बात याद रखने के लायक ये है कि ये जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन है या एस्ट्रोजन है, ये क्यों कैसे निकलते हैं? क्योंकि उन्हें निकालने यूं हार्मोन रिलीज अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द गोनाडोट्रोपिक हार्मोन रिलीज्ड बाय द इंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. अब हम देखेंगे ये जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन है, टेस्टोस्टेरोन मेल्स में आप देखो कि इससे क्या क्या चीज आती है. सबसे बड़ी चीज आती है मेल्स में मस्टेट्स, जो मूंछें वगैरह निकलती है, ठीक? अच्छा, हेयर ऑन द चेस्ट, ठीक? डेवलपमेंट ऑफ व्हाट वी कॉल एज डेवलपमेंट एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ टेस्टिस, ये सारी चेंज आती है किससे? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टेस्टोस्टेरोन. All these changes occur because of the hormone testosterone, which is released by testes but under the influence of the hormone called as gonadotropins released by the interior pituitary gland. These are the changes that are brought about by the testosterone. This testosterone is going to come under the influence of the gonadotropic hormone, which is released by the interior pituitary gland. अच्छा, फीमेल्स में क्या है? अगर हम ये बॉयज में, फीमेल्स में कौन सी चेंजेस आती है? जैसे आप देखेंगे फीमेल्स में आती है, जैसे डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ब्रेस्ट्स, ठीक? अच्छा, ब्रॉडनिंग ऑफ हिप्स, राइट? मिनिस्ट्रल जो साइकिल्स होते हैं वो, ये भी है. दिस इज आल्सो कंट्रोल्ड बाय द गोनाडोट्रोपिक हार्मोन. So the change that we see both in males and females At the stage of puberty, these changes are brought about by the sex hormones called as testosterone in males and estrogen in females. Estrogen, estrogen, estrogen in females. These changes are only possible because of these hormones which are released by the testes and ovaries respectively. Please remember, testes also release sperm, which is main function. Ovaries release, they also release eggs. But apart from these gametes or sex cells, they also release hormones. But the hormones are released under the influence of the hormone which is called as gonadotropic hormone. This hormone is released by the pituitary gland. So this is all about the role of hormones in the reproductive function. क्या है इहूंद रोल? इहूंद रोल यह टेस्टोस्टेरोन यह करान प्रोड्यूस हार्मोन सॉरी टेस्टिस करान प्रोड्यूस टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन अम सकिस मेलस में सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स उसके मुंह पे दाढ़ी आती है, मस्टेश आते हैं, ठीक, प्यूबिक हेयर डेवलप होता है। इसके अलावा जो इसकी टेस्टिस होते हैं वो उसका उनका ग्रोथ डेवलपमेंट होता है, स्पर्म निकलना शुरू होते हैं, ठीक। फीमेल्स में एस्ट्रोजन क्या करता है? फीमेल्स में जो उनका जो उनकी जो ब्रॉडनिंग ऑफ हिप्स होती है या यूट्रस लाइनिंग जो होती है ना अंदर, यूट्रस लाइनिंग मोटी हो जाती है ताकि वो फीमेल प्रेगनेंसी के लिए तैयार रहे। इसके अलावा ब्रॉडनिंग ऑफ हिप्स होती है ताकि बर्थ के टाइम जो बर्थ एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ इट विल बी इजियर फॉर अ फीमेल टू डिलीवर अ बेबी एंड आल्सो दिस डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ब्रेस्ट्स प्लस जो उसका जो मेमोरी ग्लैंड होता है वो भी एक्टिवेट होता है जिससे दूध निकलता है फिर बाद में। इसके अलावा ये और इसकी जो वॉइस होती है ना फीमेल की, इसकी वॉइस होती है वो हाई पिचड बन जाती है। बॉयज में क्या है? लो पिचड। इसके बॉयज में वो एडम्स एप्पल कॉन्स्पिशियस हो जाता है, इनमें एडम्स एप्पल तकरीबन ऑलमोस्ट अननोटिसेबल होता है। तो ये सारी चेंज आती है किन से? दो हार्मोन्स की वजह से, टेस्टोस्टेरोन और एस्ट्रोजन। लेकिन ये दो हार्मोन तभी निकलते हैं जब इंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड में वो गोनाडोट्रोपिक हार्मोन निकलता है। अगर ये थी प्रॉब्लम आज, if there's a problem, an issue with the pituitary gland, the man will have, he won't be able to, temiस hekan developed sex organs he can't be a father, she can't be a mother. Thank you.